Hi, I'm Amy Clarissima Naig, 20 years old. I recently completed my degree in Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at Malayan Colleges Laguna, Philippines. Let me tell you about myself. I'm a highly motivated college graduate and as a professional, I'm easy to get along with. I'm hardworking, loyal, well adjusted in any changes, and can handle stressful situations in a workplace. I'm a self-starter and a quick learner with willingness to take on extra responsibilities and new challenges. I'm an energetic team player with strong interpersonal and communication skills. Let me tell you a little background about my past experiences. I had my first practicum at Avenia Hotel Suites, Makati City, in which they were able to assign me into different departments: food and beverage, kitchen, front office, and housekeeping department. I also had my second practicum at the Bellevue Hotel Manila, Alamang City, in which they were able to assign me at kitchen, food and beverage, and marketing communications department. And now, I'm currently working in a fine dining restaurant as a food server. I can contribute my skills, knowledge, and my experiences, and I strongly believe that I can be a great asset to your company. I'm sincerely hoping to be working with you in the near future, and I'm looking forward to be speaking with you very soon. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.